In this video, you are going to learn series combination of cell. You know that what is pencil battery? Pencil battery are said to be cells. Suppose we have one cell and we have another cell. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, positive and negative. Connect this cell end to end. Then this is said to be series combination in same polarity. If you twist this and connect this, then this is series combination in opposite polarity. If you twist this and connect this, then this is series combination in opposite polarities. But this is series combination in same polarities. We are going to learn what will be the value of EMF and what will be the value of internal resistance when two or more cells are connected in series. For that, we are taking here two cells. Let this be cell number 1 having internal resistance. This is cell number 1 E1 having internal resistance R1, current is I, and this is said to be cell 1. Cell 1. Let us take another cell here, cell number 2 having internal resistance R2, it is E2, current is I in this terminal, this is C point, this is B point, this is A point, and potential difference between the points are VA here, VB here, VC here. Now let us draw the equivalent circuit. In the equivalent circuit, we have a single cell, we have a resistance, then this is said to be an equivalent circuit. This is E equivalent, this is R equivalent, this point is C, this point is A, and the current is I. So, in series combination, we have taken two cells connected end to end. Now, potential difference between A and B is, this is potential difference VA minus VB, which is equals to E1 minus I R1. E1 minus I R1. This is the potential difference. In the same way, potential difference between B and C is VB minus VC, which is E2 minus IR2. Let this be equation 1, it be equation 2. Add these two equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. This minus B and plus minus VB and plus VB will cancel out. So we have VA minus VC is equals to E1 plus E2 minus I R1 plus R2. We are writing in a arranged manner. We apply potential difference between the equivalent cell. So, potential difference in equivalent cell. This is VA minus VC is E equivalent minus I R equivalent. This is equation number 3. The LHS of equation, this equation and this equation are same. These two are same LHS. Let this be equation number 3 and let this be equation number 4. So LHS of equation 3 and 4 are same. So we can equate the RHS. Equating equation 3 and 4. You have from equation number 3 and 4, you have E equivalent minus I R equivalent is equals to E1 plus E2 minus I R1 plus R2 inside the bracket. So equating each term of LHS and RHS. Not equating, you can say comparing. This is a good word. Comparing each term of LHS with RHS. We get, when you compare, you get E equivalent is equals to E1 plus E2. E equivalent is equals to E1 plus E2, and this minus I R equivalent is equals to minus I R1 plus R2. Cancel this. So you have R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2. Here you find that in the case of series combination of two cells, E equivalent is equals to E1 plus E2 and R equivalent equals to R1 plus R2. So if you have n number of cells connected in series having n number of resistance R1, R2, R3 dot dot Rn, then for that case, for n number of cells we have dot dot En, and here we have dot dot Rn. So what we have, E equivalent is equals to this formula and R equivalent is equals to this formula. This is the formula for equivalent cells in series. Now let us understand this equivalent cells in series and parallel with a numerical value. If you have a cell here and you have a internal resistance, you have another cell and you have another internal resistance, let this EMF E1 equals to 4.5 volt and E2 is equals to 1.5 volt. Let this be 0.5 ohm, let this be 0.2 ohm. Then what will be the equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance? So here E equivalent is equals to E1 plus E2. So this is 4.5 plus 1.5. This come out to be 6 volt. This come out to be 6 volt, and R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2. So this is 0.5 ohm plus 0.2 ohm. This come out to be 0.7 ohm. So this is said to be when they are connected in same polarities, plus minus plus minus. But if you reverse the polarity, then what will happen? If I reverse the polarity, I am reversing the polarity, this polarity is reversed. Here we connect minus and here we connect plus. Now in this situation what will be happen? In this situation E equivalent is equals to E1 minus E2. So this is 4.5 volt minus 1.5 volt, 5 minus 5 0 and 4 minus 1 3 volt. But resistance will not reduce, resistance will add up and it give you 0.5 ohm plus 0.2 ohm, which is equals to 0.7 ohm. Thus you have seen that in the case of series combination of cells, the EMF will be added up in the case of same polarity and the EMF will be subtracted in the case of opposite polarity, but the internal resistance will be added in both the cases. I have a very simple question, is a conceptual question for you. Conceptual question for you. The question is, we know that a car or a scooty or a motorcycle will start with a 12 volt battery. Volt battery required 12 volt battery. And we know that a pencil battery is 1.5 volt. Then if we multiply 1.5 into 8, then this is 8 into 5, 40, 0 and 8 into 1, 8 plus 4, that is 12 volt. It comes to be 12 volt. So can it possible to start a car or a scooty or a motorcycle with 8 pencil battery? The question is, what will be the answer? Yes or no? Dear student, the answer is no. It is not possible to start a car or a a scooty with 8 pencil battery connected in series. Then you are thinking that why? I am giving you the answer. This is because the voltage is 8 volt. At the same time, if resistance is R, then this is R into 8. This become 8 R. This become 8 R. This is internal resistance. So 8 R internal resistance become greater than external resistance. So internal resistance become greater than external resistance. So the car or scooty does not start. Any device will only work when external resistance is greater than internal resistance. If you are understanding with my video lecture, then you must subscribe my video lectures channel and must press the bell icon for further lectures. Thank you. Good day.